Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the string repetition in Python. What actually it is mean. First of all, we are going to give an input. Let's say my name is Shravan. So I'm going to input Shravan and the output should be three times. It should be repeated. Shravan, Shravan, Shravan. So how we are going to do this in the Python code? We will discuss today. So let's go to VS Code. So here, let's say the input, whatever the input we want to give, let's name it as a variable called name. Okay, the variable is called name. So here the input is the whatever the user wants to enter. Let's say we'll put a keyword called input here, and here the input will take the user input and it will give the output. Okay, so we want to print the repetition strings, right, in the same line. So we are using the same line. So for that we are going to write only one print statement. Okay, so write down one print statement, and in that uh, open a parenthesis. In the parenthesis write down name plus is a operator which combine both the words. Okay, as I said in the previous video. Now uh, put a inverted commas and give a white space here. After the white space, uh, outside the parenthesis, put a star mark and 3. What this star operator means? It means it is the multiplier. So how much will give the value to this multiplier? It will multiply that many member of names. Okay, let's say we have name as a Shravan. We want to multiply it three times. Okay, if you want to multiply it three times, it will give three times Shravan, Shravan, Shravan. Why? Because we are multiplying this whole thing. Okay, this whole parenthesis we are going to multiply. So this multiply operator is used to repeat the string. Okay, so let's see the output here. So here first it will ask to enter the name. So I want to enter my name. After that, it will give the output. So as you see here, after Shravan, I got space, and another Shravan I got it, and for that also I have a space, and next it is also Shravan. So this is called the repetition of string. Okay, in further videos, we'll discuss more about this string manipulation. Okay, thank you.